For thousands of years, practitioners of traditional Chinese medicine have described the human body using a very different anatomy than modern Western medicine. Instead of nerves and vessels alone, they spoke of an energetic network, a communication system linking every structure, function, and sensation. Today, interest in fascia research and bioelectric signaling has brought Meridian Theory back into the scientific conversation. Are these pathways symbolic or real? Meridian Theory proposes that the body contains channels through which qi, or vital energy, flows, connecting the surface of the body to internal organs. This hierarchical network of meridians, collaterals, and subchannels regulates physiological harmony and balances the entire system. In classical TCM, each meridian corresponds to an organ system. Disease arises when this energy flow becomes blocked or imbalanced. Originating over 2,000 years ago in the Huangdi Neijing, ancient physicians mapped these functional relationships long before modern anatomy labs existed. They used palpation and observation to map physiology, not just structure, observing patterns of pain, temperature, and organ relationships. Meridians act less like pipes and more like regulatory circuits. For example, the spleen governs metabolism, while the liver manages tension and regulation. Every point along a meridian influences the broader system. A point on the lower leg may affect digestion because it lies on the stomach meridian. One of the strongest modern theories links meridians to the fascia network, the continuous web of connective tissue that transmits signaling throughout the body. Because fascia is a continuous network, stimulating one point can affect distant regions through physical and biochemical signaling. Research also suggests meridians represent bioelectrical communication pathways. Acupuncture points exhibit lower electrical resistance than surrounding tissue. Another theory integrates nervous signaling. We now know acupuncture can release endorphins and regulate inflammation through brain-body reflexes. Acupuncture today uses needles, pressure, and even light therapy to stimulate these points, aiming for systemic regulation rather than just local treatment. This is why it works clinically for regulatory disorders like chronic pain and stress, conditions where communication, not just structure, is broken. Modern integrative medicine is shifting towards systems biology, recognizing the same interconnected networks ancient TCM physicians described as meridians. While expressed in energetic language, these pathways correspond to networks of fascia, fluid signaling, and neurochemical regulation. Western medicine explains what the body is. Meridian theory explains how it behaves. Together, they offer a more complete picture of human health. Understanding the body as an integrated system allows us to treat the whole person. Exploring the ancient map reveals the future of medicine,